Welcome to your go-to guide for mastering road signs. In this video, we'll walk you through 50 essential road signs that every driver should know. Whether you're preparing for your driving test, looking to refresh your knowledge, or just want to feel more confident behind the wheel, this is the perfect place to start. These signs are key to safe driving and understanding the rules of the road. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. Let's get started and boost your road confidence. The snowmobile sign notifies drivers that they're entering a zone where snowmobiles may be actively crossing or traveling alongside the roadway, especially common in winter regions where snowmobiles share paths with other traffic. A tow-away zone sign clearly warns that any unauthorized vehicle parked in this area will be towed without notice at the owner's expense. These zones are typically enforced around fire lanes, bus stops, and private entries. The camping sign points travelers toward a designated campsite where overnight stays and outdoor recreation are allowed, ideal for road trippers or nature lovers looking for a rest stop. A library sign marks the location of a nearby public library, where foot traffic from pedestrians, especially students or families, may be heavier during open hours. Drivers should slow down accordingly. The no waiting sign indicates that stopping or idling, even briefly, is prohibited in this area to maintain traffic flow and avoid unnecessary blockages. What does this road sign represent? B. Camping. How should this sign be interpreted by drivers? B. No waiting. What regulation or rule does this sign communicate? A. Tow-away zone. The divided highway crossing sign warns that a major road with a central median lies ahead, and drivers must cross one direction of traffic, pause if needed, then continue across the other. Extra care is required. A national network route sign designates the road as part of a long-haul trucking network, built to accommodate larger commercial vehicles and ensure efficient interstate travel. The interstate route marker with state 2 digits provides a clear indication of the state and route number for travelers navigating national highway systems, helpful for GPS reference and exit planning. A curve right sign tells drivers that the road bends sharply to the right ahead, requiring them to reduce speed and maintain tight steering to navigate the turn safely. The county route marker identifies a road maintained at the county level, often used for local access between smaller towns and back roads not governed by state or national authorities. A divided highway crossing, T-intersection sign informs drivers they are approaching a T-shaped junction that connects to a divided highway. Extra caution is needed when turning across lanes of traffic. The single-lane transition sign advises that the road ahead will narrow into just one lane, which may require yielding to oncoming traffic or merging smoothly with adjacent lanes. What is the purpose of this sign along the road? B. National network route. What change is indicated by this road sign? A. Single-lane transition. What kind of marker is shown on this sign? C. Interstate route marker with state, 2 digits. A lane ends merge, left sign, lets drivers know the left lane will be discontinued shortly, so vehicles must begin merging to the right in a safe, coordinated manner. The railroad crossing, crossbuck, is the traditional white X-shaped sign that marks a level railway crossing. Stop, look both ways, and listen before continuing. An added left lane, entering roadway sign informs that a new lane is about to appear from the left, requiring drivers to watch for merging vehicles and adjust position accordingly. A combination junction, 2 route signs, indicates that 2 separate highways or route numbers will intersect at the same junction. Drivers should follow signs closely to stay on course. A no parking on pavement sign prohibits vehicles from parking directly on the road surface, keeping travel lanes clear for both moving traffic and emergency services. The traffic light ahead sign gives advanced notice that an intersection controlled by traffic signals is approaching. Drivers should prepare to stop or proceed based on light changes. A diesel fuel sign alerts motorists that a nearby fuel station offers diesel, particularly important for trucks, buses, and diesel-powered vehicles needing a refill. What type of junction or connection is being shown here? A combination junction, 2 route signs. What condition does this sign alert drivers to? B. Lane ends merge, left. What does this sign indicate about nearby services? Diesel fuel. The speed limit ahead sign signals that a change in the speed limit is coming up soon. Drivers should begin adjusting speed to match the posted regulations. A steep grade hill percentage sign warns of a sharp incline or descent ahead, often accompanied by a percentage to help drivers gauge how steep the slope is and adjust gears accordingly. The pedestrians permitted sign indicates that foot traffic is allowed along or across the roadway. Drivers must stay alert and be ready to yield. A stop sign ahead warning gives drivers early notice of a required full stop coming up, vital on high-speed roads where abrupt stops could be dangerous if unprepared. The deer crossing sign warns that deer frequently pass through this area. Reduce speed and watch the roadside carefully, especially during dawn and dusk. The keep right sign directs all vehicles to stay or move to the right of a central obstruction, such as a traffic island or median, supporting organized and safe flow. Who is allowed in the area marked by this sign? B. Pedestrians permitted. What information does this sign provide to drivers about wildlife? Deer crossing. What directional guidance does this sign provide? B. Keep right. A workers symbol sign uses roadwork iconography to indicate that construction personnel are present ahead. Drivers must reduce speed and be prepared for cones, detours, or flaggers. The interstate route marker, 2 digits, identifies a U.S. interstate highway using a 2-digit number, helping drivers confirm they're on the correct route for long-distance travel. The truck route sign marks a road specifically designed or permitted for truck traffic, guiding heavy vehicles along safe and structurally suitable paths. The yield sign requires drivers to slow down and give the right-of-way to oncoming traffic before proceeding, especially critical at merges and roundabouts. A light rail activated sign signals that a rail line ahead is in operation. Flashing lights or lowered barriers indicate the approach of a light rail vehicle. The hill bike sign alerts all road users that a steep incline or decline is ahead where cyclists may be riding slowly. Extra space and patience are essential. A hazardous material route shows where vehicles carrying dangerous goods are permitted or restricted. These routes keep such cargo away from densely populated or sensitive areas. The narrow bridge sign lets drivers know that the width of the road will constrict as it passes over a bridge. Use caution and yield to wider or oncoming vehicles if needed. A hairpin curve right sign warns of an extremely sharp bend in the road to the right. Slowing down is mandatory to maintain traction and control. What does this sign say about vehicle-specific routing? C. Truck route sign. What system or transport mode is controlled by this sign? A. Light rail activated sign. What should drivers do when they encounter this sign? B. Yield sign. The no parking, bus stop sign reserves the space for buses only, ensuring they have room to stop and load or unload passengers safely without obstruction. A truck height limit sign notifies tall vehicles that they must not proceed if they exceed the listed height, common near tunnels, bridges, and overpasses. A no pedestrians crossing sign prohibits people from crossing the road at that location, often due to safety risks such as poor visibility or fast traffic. A winding road, right, sign indicates a series of sharp bends beginning with a curve to the right. Maintain lower speed and steady control through the sequence. The exit gore, no exit number, sign marks a triangular area where exits diverge from the main highway. Drivers should commit to their intended lane early. A school crossing school zone sign denotes a high-risk pedestrian area near a school. Expect children and reduce speed drastically during school hours. The divided highway begins sign shows where a physical median or barrier will now separate traffic traveling in opposite directions. Stay in your designated lane. A reverse turn, left, sign alerts you to a sharp turn to the left immediately followed by a right bend. Reduce speed and steer steadily through the transition. The bicycles permitted sign indicates that cyclists are legally allowed to use this stretch of road. share the lane respectfully, and provide adequate clearance when passing. What kind of zone is identified by this sign? A. School crossing/school zone. What type of roadway situation is ahead according to this sign? B. Divided highway begins. What maneuver is described by this sign? A. Reverse turn, left. A no U-turn sign tells drivers they are not allowed to perform a U-turn at the upcoming intersection, continue forward, or plan an alternate route. An interior lane shift right sign informs that the lane alignment will shift to the right. Stay aware of new markings and avoid sudden moves. An added right lane entering roadway sign means a new lane will merge from the right side. Drivers should check mirrors and allow space for merging vehicles. A curve with tangent from side, right sign combines a rightward bend with a side road intersecting it. Watch for merging or turning traffic at the curve's edge. The yield sign ahead notification gives you advance warning to prepare to yield, ideal for high-speed roads where immediate yielding may be unsafe without notice. A train station sign marks the presence of a nearby rail facility. Watch for increased pedestrian activity and vehicles pulling in or out. A litter container sign identifies a public trash disposal point, encouraging drivers and pedestrians to properly discard waste and keep the roadside clean. And that's the end of our road sign guide. We hope these 50 signs helped you feel more prepared and confident on the road. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more driving tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive smart and stay safe.